Hey guys, welcome back to another video to my channel. So today I'm going to be reviewing and showing you how to get this look right here. I did use the Elsa palette, the one that ColourPop came out with. So if you saw my last video, I reviewed the Anna one, and yeah. So this is the look, and it came out really good. And I absolutely loved it. So yeah, before we start, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. So I'm gonna be using the Frozen 2 palette, the Elsa palette. It looks like this. The reason I have eyeshadow on is because I thought I was recording and I was not. So I just picked up the color Fire and I'm placing it all over my crease. So that's what we're doing. This shade is a very pretty transition color. It's like a dusty rose and it's absolutely gorgeous. I'm gonna be picking up this color right here. It's like a burgundy. It's called Spindrift, and I'm placing that in my crease and also on my outer corners. It's okay if it looks like messy. We will go back and just clean it up. And I'm gonna blend that out. So I'm gonna cut the crease. Okay, it's not gonna look like a black eye. We're gonna cut the crease and I'll be right back. I am back, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna take this shade right here. It's called Winter. It is like a periwinkle type of blue. Okay, I'm gonna get that shade and pack it on right next to the purple. So I'm gonna pack it on like this. And then I'm gonna get the burgundy shade and blend it with the blue. And then I'm gonna be picking up this shade. It is called, what the heck is this called? So apparently I can't read, but it looks like it's Cuddle Close or Cuddle Close. I don't even know, but it's like this white shade right here. I'll put that in the inner corners. Okay, picking that up. Ooh. Ooh. This is like an iridescent. It is like an iridescent pinky. It's so cute. Okay. Love. I'm gonna blend that in like with the iridescent shade, just blending it in. Okay, so for right now, that's it for the eyes. It looks awesome. I'm gonna just move on to my face. I'm gonna do it super quick so we don't waste any more time. So I'm just gonna like fast forward it all together until I get to the eyes again. I'm gonna just stop right there and do the under eye of this look. So I'm gonna get the purple shade, like the burgundy shade we use, and put it all under our eyes. Okay, I'm gonna use this blush. It's the ColourPop Fresh and Peachy. Love this blush. For highlight, I'm gonna be using this guy right here. This is from I Heart Revolution. It's their like gold, what is this called, rose gold glow. It looks like that. I'm gonna be picking up both of them. I'm gonna be using these two together. This is from Alamar Cosmetics. It is the Dulce lip liner, and then this one is Bloom to Bloom by ColourPop. Lastly, I'm just gonna put on some mascara and some falsies. I'm gonna be using the Mommy ones from ColourPop. These have turned into my favorite. Honestly, they're so good. I ordered another style. Hopefully they'll get here soon so I could try those on with you guys too. So yeah, this is the final look. I actually really like the way it came out. I'm very impressed with the Elsa palette as well as the Anna one from last week. I think they're super good for the price and for being ColourPop. I love ColourPop. You guys know this, so of course I give it a 10 out of 10. So yeah, so let's do a close-up and see how everything came out. So yeah guys, that is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know what I should do next. Maybe a BoxyCharm video. I don't know what you guys would like to see, so comment down below on your recommendations. And yeah, that is it for this video. I will see you on the next one. Bye guys.